हमने लिखा था v equal to u plus 80. Then we had written v s equal to ut plus half 80 square. Then we have written v square minus u square equal to 2as. Then we had also written this formula, s equal to u plus v by 2t. And if you have not written any of the formula, you can write it again. And one more formula we have, Sn at equal to u plus 80 minus a by 2. So from where this formula is coming, just first I will discuss that and then we will move forward. Okay, so first let us see from where this formula we have already derived in the last class, how this formula is coming. This one is what? This is the displacement in nth second. This is displacement in nth second. So what is the meaning of nth second? It is a displacement after n minus 1 to n second. Means displacement after n minus 1 second to nth second. Means suppose you are asked that displacement in 5th second. So if you are asked displacement in 5th second, means it means displacement in 5 seconds minus displacement in 4 seconds. This is displacement in 5 seconds minus displacement in 4 seconds. So after 4 and before 5, that is called the 5th second. So how do we write this? So what we are going to do is we will use this the basic definition. So displacement in nth second is displacement in n seconds minus displacement in n minus 1 second. So if you use a formula, the above formula, what we are going to do? This formula we are going to use. So u into n plus half a n square minus u into n minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 square. So if you solve it, what we are going to get is, you can see here, this un will get cancelled with this one. So you will be left only with u, and the second expression is half a n square. And if you expand this term, the second one, if you expand, actually this whole thing will be like this. If you expand the second term, it will be minus a by 2 n square minus a by 2 and plus a by 2 into 2n. So this term and this term gets cancelled and we are left with u plus an minus a by 2. So here I have written t, so if you are writing n, we should write it n instead of t. Okay. So this is a formula for nth second. So where it is used, I am giving you an example and which places we can use. Suppose we have a question. Suppose we have a question, an object having velocity, we should write initial velocity, object having initial velocity u equal to 10 meter per second and accelerated at rate 2 meter per second square. Find displacement in 4th second. So either you can use the formula or you can go by basic also. Means 4th second means what? After third, after 3 second and before 5 seconds. So in that way we can do. So what we are going to do is we will use this formula. So S fourth will be equal to U plus A into 4 minus A by 2. So it will be 10 plus 2 into 4 minus 2 by 2. So how much it is? 10 plus 8, 18 minus 1, 17 meters. So this will be the application of this formula.